everyone, here's how to brew 5 liters of unflavored kombucha at home. It's surprisingly easy to make. Plus, you can make endless flavors like these from the recipes now available on the website. So, let's get started. First, we need a SCOBY and starter tea to kickstart the fermentation. This is what ferments the tea to make the kombucha. Once we get going, you'll never need to buy kombucha again. Heat 4.5 liters of water to almost boiling point. Then add 300 grams of sugar. Organic white sugar works well. Now, stir the mixture until the sugar is completely dissolved. Next, add 10 tea bags and allow to steep for 15 minutes. Anything longer than 15 minutes may lead to a bitter tasting kombucha, so try not to oversteep your tea. Allow the mixture to cool to room temperature, then pour directly into your fermentation jar. Next, add the SCOBY and starter tea. Then stir well. Now, simply cover the jar with a breathable cover and allow it to ferment for 7 to 14 days, depending on the temperature of your house. The longer you allow it to ferment produces a more sour kombucha, and shorter brew times will produce a sweeter kombucha, so experiment until you are satisfied with the taste. Here's where things get interesting. Bottle most of the kombucha. We recommend using swing top bottles that can provide an airtight seal, otherwise you may struggle with carbonation. Just be sure to leave at least 500 milliliters of kombucha plus the SCOBY in the original fermentation jar. You can then repeat the process simply by topping it up with sweet tea and allowing it to ferment for a further 7 to 14 days. This is what we call a continuous brew. After the kombucha is bottled, it's now ready to be consumed, flavored, or stored in the fridge for up to 7 days. Be sure to check out the website for some of our favorite flavoring ideas. And there you have it. Much, much better than store-bought kombucha. Enjoy!